Happy Thursday, first grade. Today we're going to do rhyme recognition. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to tell me 2 words that rhyme. We're still working on words that have the sound aw, spelled A-W or A-U. So a lot of these words today are going to have that sound. Say aw.
Ah.
Great job. Okay, listen to the 3 words and then tell me 2 words that rhyme. Sauce, thaw, paw.
Fa, pa.
Drawn, lawn, quack.
Drawn, lawn.
Caught, taught, float. Crawl, draw, cream. Haul, tall, walk. Jaunt, taunt, bent. Great job. Onset, time for onset fluency. I say the word, you tell me the first sound. I say the word, you say the word, then tell me the first sound. How's that?
That's perfect.
All right. Jaw,
Jaw, j.
hawk,
Hawk,
vault,
vault,
cause, dawn, fawn, made your day, straw, pawn, lawyer, gawk. Great job. I'm going to say the individual phonemes. You're going to listen and then tell me the whole word for blending. S, a, s, I, j.
sausage.
Aug, st.
August.
S, e, s, a,
Seesaw.
d, n. J, oz, oz, k, ought, s, aw, p, oz, f, aw. Kiss your brain, round 1 is done. Listening for the middle sounds. Just like on Tuesday, a lot of the middle sounds are going to either be an R-controlled vowel like or R, or they're going to have the aw sound spelled A-W or A-U. I say the word, you say the word, and then tell me that middle sound. Germ,
Germ,
tart,
tart, R.
caught,
Caught, aw.
pawn, born, firm, bark, taught, jaws, cork. Great job identifying the middle sounds in the word. Time for segmenting. Put your choppers up. I say the word, you repeat the word, and then you chop each phoneme. Law,
Law. O, ah.
pause,
Pause. P, aw, z.
first,
First. St.
crawl,
Crawl. K, all. Sorry guys, I'm distracted by this
false,
cat.
explore, tardy, because, purse, daughter. Great job doing segmenting. We're going to do substituting phonemes, or we're going to substitute at the end of the word this time, and we're going to use the aw sound at the end of the word. Say see,
See.
change E to aw.
Saw.
Say pay,
Pay.
change A to aw.
Paw.
Say fly,
Fly.
change I to aw.
Flaw.
Say thigh, Change I to aw. Say stray. Change A to aw. Say lay. Change A to aw. Say clay. Change A to aw. Say key. Change E to aw. Say no. Change O to aw. Say sly. Change I to aw. Kiss your brain. Round 2 is done. Today, when we're doing adding, we're going to add sounds to the beginning of the word. Say full. Add aw.
Awful.
Say ing.
Ing.
Add draw.
Drawing.
Say gust. Add aw. Say or. Add off. Say graph. Add auto. Now we're going to delete from the beginning of the word. Say draw.
Draw.
Without d.
Raw.
Say slaw.
Slaw.
Without s.
Law.
Say scrawl.
Scrawl.
Without s.
Crawl.
Say caught. Without k. Say small. Without s. Great job. Kiss your brain. Round 3 is done. Ready for sentences. For language awareness, I'm going to say the sentence, you're going to repeat the sentence, and then you're going to say the sentence again, counting each word, and then telling me what the punctuation is going to be at the end. I have friends at school.
I have friends at school. I have friends at school. 5 and a period.
I can write my name.
I can write my name. I can write my name. 5 and a period.
I share with my friends.
I share with my friends. 5 and a period.
I try hard at school. With an exclamation. My eyes help me learn. Also 5. Period. This school is great. Exclamation. Can you spell big words? I love books. With an exclamation. Hope you're having a great Thursday. We miss you so much. Love you guys. Keep practicing your sounds. Keep practicing your words. Do everything on Seesaw. Leave us a comment. Love you.